Hey guys, it's Max with GTN Official here, and today I'm going to be assembling the Rubicon 48V electric bicycle. Let's begin the assembly process by attaching the front wheel. First, fit the wheel in place using the bike frame as a guideline, as shown here. Then secure the wheel into its position by screwing in the included rod. Next, we'll be installing the handlebars. Begin by using an Allen wrench to take off the outward facing half of the handlebar clamp. Then insert the handlebars into the concavity on the clamp. Once they are tightly secured, reattach the convex half of the clamp to the half still on the bike, then screw it back in using the Allen wrench. Moving on to the brake pads, these simply slide into place in the front wheel and are secured using an Allen wrench as shown. The seat is incredibly easy to install. Begin by inserting it into the socket on the bike as seen here. Then twist the built-in clamp clockwise until firm and close it up. Attaching the pedals is as simple as screwing in the right pedal clockwise and the left pedal counterclockwise. The cup holder and flashlight mount both attach onto the handlebars of the bike in essentially any spot using their rear-mounted clamps and a screw. Both of which are fully adjustable and easily removable on the fly. If you're curious on how to install the rear rack, I've decided that the process is cumbersome enough to get its own video. The link to that video will be in the description below. Anyways, that is all for this video, so I'd like to give a huge thanks to Gina and X-treme Scooters for sending this bike out to me, as well as to all of you for taking the time to watch this video. With that said, this is GTN Official, signing off.